What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a fan and we're going to be unboxing it and reviewing it. It's kind of a random thing to do, but it's summer, so I want to keep you guys cool in the summer. So this is a really, I would say, decently priced item. I bought in this like a tower, one of those towers before, like from Target or whatever. Those don't give you any benefit at all. I'm just going to say that once whatsoever. This is a really good fan because it has multiple modes, really good cycles, a temperature. It has different speeds, styles. It has obviously the swiveling, and there's only one downside: it wobbles, which I'll get into that in a bit. But it's a very amazing fan. It's good, it's easy, and it looks cool. It's fairly tall, right about 3 feet, but it's pretty good. The build quality is all plastic, but it has one channel on the right side, I believe, that you get most of the wind from, and it will oscillate and it will rotate between the however you want. But it's a powerful fan. It goes really far. It's very active and it has multiple speeds. It'll ramp up, ramp down, whatever you need to do. Has multiple modes and stuff like that. You have like a tree one. You have timers. You have sleeping modes. You have like just a direct current, like an actual fan. But it's like actual good. Like the trees ones, I like it because it's not like a direct current. It kind of splits it up to imitate like leaves or something in between. So yeah, that's that. Link in the description to buy. See you guys next one.